Hello traders, so welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's live trading session, we are going to take one trade with our strategy, and as usual, I'm going to explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same while you're trading. So without wasting further time, let's get started. This is Euro JPY chart, and this is 1 minute candle time, as you can see here, and you can see that this is a strong downtrend, but the market is currently retracing. In this market scenario, we can wait for the market to retest this trend resistance, then we can go for a trade, or we can go with the minor trend, which is an uptrend here, because the market is currently on its retracement phase. In this market, I think you can see that on the minor trend, this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, and this is a higher low, and the market is on its way trying to create a new or higher high. We can wait for some weaknesses which are, I think, are already present here, because this is this is a buyer zone, and the buyers stepped in with this candle, then they stepped in again with this candle, and this is a very strong candle also in the favor of the buyers. So I think we can let me try to get some levels. This is the previous resistance in this market, and it has already broken with this strong candle. So I'm going to take the trade after the finish of this candle, no doubt. So we can go with the minor trend. There is no harm in doing that. After the finish of this candle, I'm going to take the trade, and I will explain everything about the setup so you can apply the same while you're trading. So here we go. So I've placed my trade for 5 minutes. Now let me explain why I took this trade. This is a clear downtrend, and we know that in a downtrend it is a seller's market, but the market has already created a new low, because when market is trending down, we are going to be having series of lower lows and lower highs. The lower low situation here has already been confirmed, but the market needs to retrace back to be able to run. Now this is the retracement phase, which should follow by the run phase in the future. So I believe that on this lower scale, the market will definitely, this will be the retracement phase, and it will be creating lows and higher lows and higher highs. So that is why I have placed this trade, because I wanted to go with the minor trend, which is the retracement phase. It is quite risky. I would advise you don't trade like this, but I am doing this because I have the strong weaknesses present, and I know that this market will eventually hit like this area in the market, because all these areas has been broken. This resistance or support has already been broken, so the next obvious level is this support over here, which is also this support over here. This previous support is already broken, so I believe that the market should be hitting this support in the future, and there will be another opportunity to come for a trade again, and this will be the best, because this will be a trade in favor of the trend, which is a downtrend, which is a seller's market. So I will wait for the trade to finish, and after this trade finishes, I will explain further why I took this trade. So let's wait. So guys, we've won this trade easily. Now let me explain why I took this trade. When I opened this chart, the first thing I did was I tried to analyze the chart, and I found out that this is a very strong downtrend. Though I didn't record I didn't record the time where I drew this support resistance trend line, this resistance trend line. And so when I came here, I found out that this was a strong downtrend, and in a downtrend we are going to be having series of lower lows and lower highs, and this downtrend confirmed here that is going to continue, because this is a lower low which is higher than this previous low. And when the market moves, it doesn't move in a straight line. I told you that it will run and then it will retrace. Like you see here, this is a run, this is a retracement, this is a run. It will retrace, it will run, it will retrace. That's how the market moves. So when the market created this new low, it is not just natural that the market is going to retrace for some time in the future, and I had to come with and that will happen in the lower scale of the market. So I knew that the market will retrace, so I had to come and follow this lower scale. And you can see that when the retracement phase, the market will move in the opposite direction of the original trend, and in this downtrend scenario the retracement is going to be a uptrend. So I had to come and I have to go with the minor trend, and you can see here, this is a low, this is a high, this is a higher low, this is a higher high, and the market created a higher low here. I witnessed and I confirmed my claims by these weaknesses in the market, which followed by this strong buyer's entry. After the weaknesses here, I didn't place my trade here. I had to wait because this was not a strong entry for me. This for me was the best entry because the buyer stepped in a huge momentum, and I entered the trade on this candle, and we have won this trade in the end. So everything was actually in our favor. The trend was in our favor, though we didn't go with the major trend. We had to go with the minor trend, which was also in our favor. The price action was there, and we confirmed it by the weaknesses around here, and we have won this trade easily. So I think I don't have enough battery on my laptop to continue. I hope you have understand this trade setup. You can ask me questions if you have any doubts on the comment section, and I will do my best to explain so you can understand this concept, and so you can also apply the same while you are trading. So this will be the end of this trading section. If this is your first time in this channel, please do well to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you'll be the first to see these videos when they come up. And please do us a favor by hitting the like button, and also sharing this video to your friends and family who may also be in need of videos like this. So till I see you again in my next trading section, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.